Hello students, today we are here to learn about pronouns. You know students, what are pronouns? A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun. As he, she, it, I, we, you, this. Dear students, why do we use personal pronoun? Personal pronouns are used for person. You know, there are three categories of personal pronouns. First person, where I, me, we come. And what comes in second person pronoun? You, yours. And in the category of third person pronoun, what do come in the category of third person pronouns? They, he, she, him. Example of personal pronouns. He is my brother. Here he is given and it is called personal pronoun, like he, she, this, that, you, we, they, I, all are personal pronoun. Okay students? Okay students? Now let's move further and learn the next kind of pronoun, that is reflexive pronoun. Where should we use reflexive pronoun? On when action is done on door, means whatsoever is subject, action will be conducted on the same subject. See, I hurt myself. Here hurting action is done on subject, means I. Who is hurted? I. Okay students, I hope you have understood. Let's move to our next pronoun. This is possessive pronoun. Those pronouns that indicate possession or relationship. Through them we can come to know that noun and pronouns have ownership on anyone or anything. Let's take an example. Here, in this example, here is a sentence. Read this sentence. This book is mine. Then mine shows that book belongs to me. And mine is showing possessiveness. Okay students, let's move further to know about our next pronoun. This is demonstrative pronoun. They are used to indicate anything or anyone, as this, that, these, those. Let's take an example. Here in this sentence, this is my car. Dear students, here this is my car. This is indicating to this car. That's why here this is a demonstrative pronoun. Let's move further to know about our next pronoun, that is interrogative pronoun. And through this we ask some questions as who, what, which, whom. Let's take an example to know about it. Here is written, what is your name? In this sentence, a question is asked where WHAT, what, is a WH word which comes in the category of interrogative pronoun. Let's move further to know about relative pronoun. And what are relative pronouns? They are used to tell something about previously given object. They are that, what, which. Let's take an example to know about them. This is the book that I bought. Here that is telling about book which is mentioned already, and after that something is told about this book. That's why that is called relative pronouns. Now students, we will learn about emphasizing pronoun. What are emphasizing pronouns? When action is done by subject. They are myself, yourself, himself, herself. Dear students, the same pronouns are used in reflexive pronoun. But what is the difference between both of them? In case of reflexive pronoun, action is done on subject. But in case of emphasizing pronoun, action is done by subject. As I ate the food myself. Means who ate the food? No one else except me. I ate the food myself. Did you get, students? Okay. To make difference, to understand what is the difference between reflexive pronoun and emphasizing pronoun, let's take an example of reflexing pronoun. In reflexing pronoun, we will say I ate myself. Here, what's the meaning? What did I eat? I ate myself. Means I didn't eat food. I ate myself. This is reflexive pronoun. And this is emphasizing pronoun where action is done by subject. And in case of reflexive pronoun, action is done on subject. Okay students, I hope you have understood all the kinds of pronouns and you have understood difference between emphasizing pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Thank you. Bye bye.